I'm sure you've wondered where the name Pietermaritzburg comes from. Let's break it down quickly, and you'll see the biblical connection to the city of David, to Mount Zion. This is Mount Zion, aka PMB Table Mountain, or Mkambatini. It's basically here in Pietermaritzburg, as you can see. It's just outside. I've made a lot of videos about that. I'm just giving context. So if you go to Google and you type Pietermaritzburg meaning, you'll see that the original name came from the so-called prominent Voortrekker leaders, Peter Moritz Retief and Gerrit Maritz. So there are few connections here that link to Mount Zion, which is the mountain Mkambatini, the so-called Pietermaritzburg Table Mountain. So there's Pete, Moritz, and Gerrit. Let's talk about that. So Matthew chapter 16, verse 18. And I tell you that you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of Hades will not overcome it. Hades is that's the gate of hell. So here we are basically being told that this was Jesus who was saying to Simon, "You are now Peter, and on this rock I will build my church." The rock, which is the Mkambatini mountain, and I'll build my church. That's where the palace and the temple is supposed to be, even in Ezekiel 40. If you Google Moritz, you get the meaning dark skinned. And if you Google dark skinned Bible verse, so I've just Googled dark skinned Bible verse. This links to Song of Solomon, chapter 1, verse 5 to 6. And they talk about, it says, "I am very dark but lovely, O daughters of Jerusalem, like the tents of Kedar, like the curtains of Solomon." And again, this if you read that entire verse in the chapter, it refers to the Mount Zion. If you Google the meaning of Gerrit, you get brave with a spear. If you Google brave with a spear Bible verse, this is what you'll get, a few. And Josheb, that was David's top warrior who raised his spear against 800 men. And in some here you will read about the brave warrior